China is making a huge contribution to the fight against climate change by drastically reducing the cost of green energies, a top German executive has said in an exclusive interview with Xinhua.
In EVs, in high voltage energy transmission, in wind turbines, offshore, onshore wind turbines, floating wind turbines. So most of the technology China really is scaling up, promoting and offering to the world. I think that's a huge advantage currently.
China is making a huge contribution in the fight against climate change, and I think I really appreciate what China is doing because it helps and it drives down the cost of those technologies.
So I think this contribution to stop climate change is historic, and probably in decades, in hindsight, mankind would say that who contributed most to stop climate change, probably it was China.